Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, we're gonna look at a unboxing, and this is of the book cover, and this is for the Galaxy Tab A 8.0, the 2019 edition. You can pick up this case on Amazon, and of course it works along with the Tab A. So if you have a Tab A or similar device, you can pick up one of these book covers. And what's fun about them is that it's a cool leather case that goes over your tablet, and it gives a nice snug fit. Alright, so let's look at the packaging here. This is what it comes in. Comes in this plastic base wrap. There's a preview window. It gives you a breakdown of the device itself and what it can do. It can be used as a kickstand. You can actually pivot it and actually use it to watch movies or so on, or you can close it and use it as a normal cover. So it is multifunctional. Alright, and of course this is the producers here. This is their name. Alright guys, as you can see here, these are the producers. It's ANY mode, and of course their branding is over here again. And of course we're going to remove the product from its case. Should be quite easy, and we'll just get this out of its packaging. Alright, so we'll put this aside. Check this out guys. So as you can see here, this is the case. It comes with this foam placeholder. The cover is quite heavy. It has a weight to it. The back here is plastic, and it has these snap-on edges, and you do see the stand effect built in. You have the kickstand that can be used to hold this up, or you can close this as a cover. It does leave a cutout for the camera as well, and of course this material is kind of leatherette type material, not bad. And of course we're just gonna fit this with the tablet to see how well it looks. Alright guys, so when you're placing this into the device, into the case, simply start by placing the top portion first. Then you're gonna slide in the bottom portion down here to slide right in. As you can see, it works quite fine. Everything fits, and the case cover makes a perfect cover. It protects the device. You have the cutout on the other end for the camera, and of course you have your inputs at the side here. You can access everything perfectly. Otherwise as well, you'll find you can use this as a kickstand and place this up or prop this up, and of course the case works just perfectly. All right, so in case of drop protection, you do not want to actually have this drop from a very high height, but it does give some amount of protection. It looks like a book. It can be fit into a bag. The cover itself protects the screen from direct punches, so if you have a pen or something, it will prevent it from punching and damaging the screen. Also, the case itself is quite nice finish. As I said, it's a leather type material. It doesn't get fingerprints that easily. Might get a little sticky if you have something sticky on your palm, but actually it cleans off nicely, and it has that nice finish. So you know this material will give you that premium feel. At the end of the day, only time will tell how well this will hold up, but I see no major issues right now. It should hold up quite nicely. The cover itself is quite weighty, and it does close and hold to the other side. It doesn't clip fully, but of course it's so heavy that it will keep to the other side. The back again has that nice material. Everything works fine. All right, so that's basically all the things I can tell you about this case. I'll have a link to it in the description where you can actually purchase. Should be about $10 thereabout, and you can get this for your tablet, protect your device. All right, if you have any questions, ask in the comments. Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.